Need to add another fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy phone? In this guide, I'll show you the simple steps to register an additional fingerprint, making it easier and more convenient to unlock your device anytime. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can find it in the app drawer or by tapping the gear icon from the Quick Settings panel. Next, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Depending on your Samsung model and One UI version, you may need to select Lock Screen, Screen Lock and Biometrics or Biometrics. If prompted, enter your current PIN, password or pattern to verify your identity before continuing. Now, tap Fingerprints to access the fingerprint settings view. You'll see a list of any fingerprints that are already registered on your device. To add another one, tap Add Fingerprint. Place the finger you want to register on the fingerprint sensor when prompted. Lift and place your finger repeatedly, following the on-screen instructions. As you scan, slightly adjust the angle and position of your finger each time. This helps the phone capture different parts of your fingerprint, making recognition more accurate and reliable during everyday use. Continue scanning until the progress indicator reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, tap Done to save the new fingerprint. For the best results, make sure your finger is clean and dry while scanning. It's also a good idea to register the finger you use most often. If you frequently unlock your phone with either hand, consider adding a fingerprint from both hands for added convenience. Done. You can now unlock your phone with your newly added fingerprint. Thanks for watching and have a great day.